To start developing a Power App, you need to set up a Power App account. To do so, go to powerapps.microsoft.com website. Try to sign in here. You cannot sign in with a personal email account such as Gmail or Yahoo Mail account. Here I am trying with my Gmail address. It doesn't work. You will need an enterprise account like workplace or a school account. If you already have an enterprise account, just use it to log in, and that will take you straight to the Power App development environment. If you do not have any enterprise account, please stay with us, because in the next part I am going to show you how to create a Microsoft developer account. Here is the URL to open Microsoft developer account. You can use it, or you can simply Google for Microsoft developer program. This is where you can set up a free account for development purposes. To create a developer account, you need to have a Microsoft account under outlook.com or live.com. Set up an E5 subscription. Create a username. Domain name is taken. You must remember this. And password. You need to put in a phone number to get SMS verification code. Okay, we have set up a free trial account for 90 days. I am not going to use free account. I have an enterprise account, so I am going to powerapps.microsoft.com and sign in. I have signed in with my enterprise account. Click create a canvas app form blank, format for phone, give a name such as test, then click create. This is the Power App development environment. We will cover more of this in next tutorial.